Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we are talking about how you can fix if you are facing issue like if you are not a sudo file or something. Okay, so let's simply generate the issue and we'll fix that. Okay, so first of all, suppose you are doing sudo su command on the terminal. Let me extend the size to look it better. Okay, now we can see sudo su. Okay, I'm just using my password for this account, and see admin2 is not in the sudo file. This incident will be reported. Okay, so how it can be fixed? So for doing that, we just need to check what is the sudo file entry and how it can be fixed. However, if you want to use your root account, simply use su hyphen and it just use the same password. We don't need to do further, and you see we can use through this command. But somehow if you want to use the same command, or if you are used to use this, so let's fix out and see. So for fixing this, you just need to become root like this, and then just go to nano /etc/ sudoers. Okay, you will see the file here and just hit enter. Once you are in the file, you just need to do one more entry, and then we can see that, like let me do that here. So it should be admin2 all equal to all, and then all. We can use like above, so it would be easy to get all the permissions like a root. Okay, so I did that. Now once you are in the nano, just do Control O to save and hit enter, and then Control X to exit the file. And I'm going back to the same location, exit. Now I am the same portion and doing sudo shu, entering the password, and it will work. Okay, so this is how you can fix if you are facing the same issue. Let me open new window and see sudo shu password, and wow, it fixed. So hope you like the video. Do subscribe and share. Thank you.